Yeah,
How do we go through the ingredients, the masks? How does this actually work?
Okay, so again, I'm very lucky with this big screen, and I'm going to make the most of it while we're filming. So let's start on this side. I'm going to come this side with you.
Let's swap.
Cool, okay. Right, this is like the classic collection. Both Jen and I, with working with the brand, we are most used to this, we've got to be honest. Let's talk about the cult classics. You mentioned that with the
Day and
Luna.
night.
Yeah, day and night. So make my day and call it a night. Make my day is best because it contains the red algae, which is perfect for anti-redness. It's filled with hyaluronic acid. It actually has 3 different forms of it, so they work on different levels to make sure on a cellular level you're truly getting that hydration that you need. Call it a night, ginseng and olive oil. It's great for nighttime, which I know you are a fan of using that.
I mean, call it a night. This is my hero before sleep. Like, I have to have this before bed.
If you like something a bit richer, top tip, don't listen to us. Don't read the labels. Like most with FOREO, we are for everybody, for everyone, I should say. The classic saying. You can use that in the morning, so be a bit status quo. Walk away from it. Youth Junkie, this is for your Madame Tussauds fantasy. This is for a very glowy look. I will be warned, if you are a fan of matted look, don't use it. It is extremely, extremely rich. It has jojoba seed oil, it has shea butter, and it's filled with hydrolyzed collagen. So very, very dewy, great for a summer look, good for after the sun if your skin's kind of dry. Skin health, exactly.
Great. So there's a lot of tech, there's a lot of masks, there's loads of ingredients.
There's a lot.
I know there's another range, which is amazing as well. My favorite, Farm to Face. Should we go through these quickly? What's your favorite? I mean, mine is the rose. I love Bulgarian rose. The smell is incredible.
Unreal.
Let's open one now.
I'm going to have a little think which one's is my favorite. I'm gonna summarize them all, especially during the past year and a half. I'm sure everyone watching this live can relate. We haven't really been able to travel. We haven't experienced as much as usually we would have naturally had, which is sad. We love travel here, and I know all the customers at FOREO. Again, like Shimmer Free, you've got to love rose for that one, but it's super light. Best thing about this range, before I go through them all, is they are biodegradable. So it's the first UFO mask that they formulated with a biodegradable nature. So brilliant, brilliant for eco-credentials, and I'm really proud that they've launched products like this to go alongside your UFO.